Breaking updates coming in of the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin now writing a letter to the Chief Ministers of various states to formally join the Joint Action Committee to further take necessary measures and strategize the opposition against the delimitation that is due in 2026. Varshini joins us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Varshini, this is an issue that Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has been speaking about. He has written to the cadre regarding the same, and he has said that the DMK is going to escalate this fight. This is the first time now, though, that the Chief Minister has written to the other Chief Ministers as well to join the Joint Action Committee to take action. So what are the measures that are likely to be taken? Who are the Chief Ministers he has written to? And what is the opposition strategy going to be?
Well, if you see this particular letter that has been addressed to chief ministers of selected states, particularly the southern states, which include Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and in the east, if you see, it's West Bengal and Odisha, and in the north, it's Punjab. The chief minister has written to all of these chief ministers regarding the delimitation exercise. In his letter, he speaks about how come 2026, the delimitation exercise will happen once the population census has been taken. And he also states that this is going to be a threat to the mentioned states here, because there is a threat that these particular states will lose parliamentary seats when the delimitation happens. And he is calling all of these chief ministers to come together so that they can form this joint action committee. He requests these chief ministers to send one representative from the party to participate and be a member of this joint action committee and to decide and strategize how the plan of action for them is going to be to oppose delimitation. And if you see, he's also mentioned about the first joint action committee meeting that will happen in Chennai on the March 22nd, and about how this is a place where everybody can come and discuss regarding how, what are the other options that they can request from the union government for conducting delimitation. But also, it is important to note about the all-party meeting which took place a couple of days ago, where resolution was passed, where the chief minister demanded that this delimitation exercise be frozen for the next 30 years and status quo to be continued, and also about how the delimitation, if at all it is going to happen, a constitutional amendment has to firstly be done, and that has to be done by the Prime Minister, and he has to table it in the Parliament and speak about this and explain about this. So there are a lot of things that the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, is planning at this point of time to do with this JAC committee, Joint Action Committee, with all the other states and their participation to ensure that they're taking forward this protest against the delimitation exercise.
Okay, so this clearly means that it's only now going to escalate. Varshini, stay with us. We have, in fact, more reactions coming in from the India bloc leaders, and most leaders have also backed what the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has said. Listen in.
हिंदी एक नेशनल लैंग्वेज है. हिंदी को सबको सम्मान देना चाहिए. रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस को तो रीजनल पार्टी सपोर्ट देते हैं. हिंदी एक महान भाषा है. हिंदी हमारे देश का मातृभाषा है. सब लोग हिंदी को यथाचित रूप से सम्मान करेंगे. यहाँ बंगाली है, गुजराती है, हिंदुस्तानी है, लिंग्विस्टिक, उर्दू स्पीकिंग माइनॉरिटीज भी है. ये तो बंगाल में हर जात का लोग है. तो हिंदी भाषा को हम लोग बहुत सम्मान करते हैं.
देखिए, हिंदी का पूरा देश में लोग इज्जत करते हैं. तमिलनाडु के साथ जो कुछ हो रहा है और ये थ्री लैंग्वेज जो फॉर्मूला है, ये तमिल्स को, क्योंकि उनको पहले से ही लग रहा है, जो बात तथ्य में सही भी है, कि डिलिमिटेशन में अगर जनसंख्या आधार बनता है तो साउथ का जो पूरा मेंबरशिप है भारत की संसद में, वो कमजोर हो जाएगा. तमिलनाडु पे गृहमंत्री अमित शाह जी का जो शुरू से हमने एक रुझान देखा है कि वो दक्षिण बनाम नॉर्थ बनाना चाहते हैं. ये बहुत ही खतरनाक आइडिया है. अगर आपने कुछ थोपना शुरू किया तो जो राज्य हैं जहां पे इंडिया ब्लॉक की हुकूमतें हैं, जिनसे आपको टैक्सेस सेंटर को आते हैं, अगर उन्होंने देना बंद कर दिया तो आप क्या करेंगे?
Right, with that, let's get you breaking updates coming in Karnataka.